The Grandfather Teachings. A soulful 7-step guide to wisdom and harmony. Number 1. Embrace love. Begin each day with self-love and appreciation. Practice self-compassion by acknowledging your strengths and forgiving your imperfections. Extend love to others through acts of kindness, whether it's lending a helping hand to a friend or showing empathy to a stranger. Practice active listening and seek to understand others' perspectives, nurturing deeper connections through love and empathy. Number 2. Living with respect. Respect begins with honoring yourself and setting healthy boundaries. Treat others with courtesy and empathy, acknowledging their experiences and perspectives. Celebrate cultural diversity and value the traditions and wisdom of different communities. In interactions, practice active listening and refrain from judgment, fostering an environment of mutual respect and understanding. Number 3. Embody courage. Identify fears that hold you back and confront them head-on. Take steps towards your goals, even if they seem daunting. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and view setbacks as valuable learning experiences. Share your authentic self and ideas, even when it feels vulnerable. Courage empowers you to step outside your comfort zone, like seeking a new career or pursuing a passion project. Number 4. Walk in honesty. Practice radical honesty with yourself and others. Be truthful in your words and actions, avoiding deceit or exaggeration. If you make a mistake, admit it with humility and take responsibility for your actions. Communicate openly and transparently in relationships, fostering trust and deep connections. Number 5. Cultivate humility. Observe the world with a sense of wonder and curiosity. Learn from nature, recognizing the wisdom in the simplicity of a flower or the serenity of a tree. Acknowledge that you are part of a vast interconnected web of life. Listen to others' stories and experiences, humbly recognizing that you have much to learn from different perspectives. Number 6. Seek wisdom. Engage in a lifelong pursuit of knowledge. Read books, attend workshops, and seek guidance from mentors or elders. Embrace a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities for learning and personal development. Draw wisdom from ancient teachings, like exploring indigenous traditions or philosophical texts, allowing their wisdom to enrich your understanding of life. Number 7. Embody truth. Embrace your authentic self and live in alignment with your values. Let go of pretenses and be genuine in your interactions with others. Express your creativity and unique voice, whether through art, writing, or other forms of self-expression. Embodying truth means standing up for what you believe in, advocating for causes close to your heart, and living a life that reflects your innermost desires and dreams. With the Indigenous Grandfather Teachings as your guide, you embark on a transformative journey, deepening your connection with yourself, others, and the cosmos. As you practice these soulful steps, you will radiate love, wisdom, and authenticity, enriching your life and inspiring those around you to embrace their cosmic purpose. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel and we will create more. Thanks and see you soon.